Dewalt 2-in-1 folding jab saw and rasp, and this is what it ships to you brand new in package. Lifetime warranty, of course. Really good quality feel. Let's get it out of this package and I'll show you up close. All right, so here is our saw and rasp right here. So we can close the rasp part right there and it locks into place. You can hear that click when it locks in. And then we got the saw right here, and that will also click and lock into place. And then when you want to open it, you do have this button right here. So you press that button and then we can just remove that jigsaw out, and that locks into place at that top as well. So it's very nice, very strong feeling. Blades obviously extremely sharp right there, so you can see the blades up close if you need to right there. And then our rasp that comes out right here. So let's actually, you can have them open both at the same time, but I don't know why you'd want to do that. So let's close the saw. We'll press that button and we'll get that rasp out right there, and that locks into place nicely. And you can file stuff and shred stuff, whatever you need to do. But another great piece or great feature of this, and the grip on it, very nice. It's a little bit bigger of a grip, so if you have bigger hands, it's gonna feel nice. Really good. So excellent quality product. As again, lifetime warranty. This is it. Definitely recommend this. Pick it up.